Hello guys, welcome back. Today we keep solving the daily questions. Today we got a medium one, that is short colors. The statement says given you an array nouns with an address color red, white or blue, short them in place. That means you short the array without using extra array. Is it you short by swap or interchanging element inside the original array. So one represent the color red, zero represent the color red, one is white and two is blue, respectively. So it's just like simple short problem to short an array contain of a three unique value one, zero, two, to in ascending order. You must and you must show this problem without using the library chart function. Okay, so you can use some algorithm like bubble chart or counting chart with constant extra space. And we have a follow-up here is that could you come up with a one pass algorithm. That means you only using one follow, only one, not two, not three. Yeah, this is the ones that make this problem interesting. Using only constant extra space, so you can think about using algorithm like counting short. Okay. But as we know that we only have three unique integers in the arrays, that is 0, 0, 1 and 2, so we can do something like this. Let's test it at example. Okay. As we know that 2 must be at the end of the array when you can iterate from left to right, and when you see a value of 2 you can swap it with the end. So you got this swap with the end, and we see after the swap this is 0, so keep it here, because 0 must be at the beginning of the array, and we keep the interest to 1. And we also know that 1 must be at the middle of the array, right? Because 1 is at the beginning, 2 at the end, so the remaining element, that's 1, should be in the middle. So we ignore this, we just ignore it. We don't know in the future there what happened, but just stay with 1 here. And then we got 2. As we know, 2 must be at the end, place it at the end, but we already swap, we place a 2 at the end, so we do a replacement interchange at the next end element, this is 1. Okay, you keep iterating and you meet the 0. Zeros must be at the beginning, so we swap it with the beginning, but we have a 0 here, so we swap with the next one, and then finally we got this array. Okay, so our algorithm is to maintain 2 pointers as left and right. As the left is the last element at the beginning, not 0, and the right is last element at the end, not 2. And for all of here, like from 1 to we fall to R. Why? Because we know that at the R position to the end is already on 2, so we don't need to look to the last element. Okay, if nums I is 2, as I described, we swap it with the last element and decrease the position. Else if num I is like 0, so we swap is with the right. But we have a case that if after the swap the R is larger than E, so we need to reassign it to, because E must be we iterate E is the element in the array that we didn't have a correct place. And the last case is num I is equal to 1, so we just ignore it, like this demonstration I do here. Okay, for 2 R because R is the last element we didn't have a replacement. I'm sorry. Okay, swap. Oh, wait a minute. Minus one. Okay, sorry. A, a mistake, a small mistake. What we got here? 30. Sorry, like a type of mistake. I don't know why. Recently, I didn't code smoothly as before. What we got here? But e equal to 0, then must swap with r. If l, sorry, l. Well, we're talking about solution, but I using the wrong variable. Too many mistakes today for easy problem. Okay. Have a nice day.